Po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mommy Molina Bayane, one of the parents in Ateneo grade 10. So, thank you so much for gracing the event with us. So, as you all know, so our grade 10 Rodriguez boys, they're going to have a Katipunan Fund Drive. So this is very important for our boys because normally, when they have a Katipunan Fund Drive, it's a consolidated project among at least 2 to 3 classes. But this is the first time that it's only be 10 Rodriguez, just one class, to organize a whole concert for the whole junior high school. So since this is an important event, we made an effort to ensure that we're able to have a press and media launch. So we know that you guys are so busy, and thank you so much for being here with us. Of course, we would also like to thank Calista for being here with us. I know that you're also very, very busy. Beautiful dress. Thank you so much. So, before anything else, before we officially start, may we call on our prayer leader, RJ, to please lead the prayer. Also, may we call on Mr. Mason Hernandez, our marketing head, to also be with RJ.
So, first of all, I'd like to thank everyone for coming here and attending today. I know that it's been a very busy week for everyone, but I hope that we can all enjoy today's press con. So, we are Horizon. So, to introduce you, to familiarize you with our members, you have me, of course, as the CEO, and next time. And our operations head for the project is going to be Manuel Agpalasin. Manuel. Then our finance head po will be Nicolo Madlambayan. Our marketing head beside me is Mason Hernandez. Our HR head is Izzy Reyes. Our executive secretary for the whole event is J. Andero Santos. Our stage director is Lorenzo Amandi. Our performer contactor is JB David. And for our supervisors for each team, I'll have Andrew Sanchez, Clark Bayani, and Enzo Lopez. So to give a brief overview of KFD and what it is. So Katipunan Fund Drive is an annual fundraising effort of the AGHS for the benefit of calamity victims, Jesuit missions, and partner communities and institutions. Okay, so many of you are probably wondering, why did we choose the name Horizon? So the horizon represents possibilities. The endless opportunities that stretch out before us, just as the horizon marks a meeting point between the earth and the sky. Our Katipunan Fund Drive is where our collective efforts come together to build a brighter future for our beneficiaries. It's about pushing past boundaries and expanding what's possible. In this concert, we aim to create an atmosphere where the energy, the beats, and the lights symbolize the vibrant future we are working towards. Every ticket sold, every donation made, and every person who participates is contributing to moving beyond the horizon, helping us reach new heights in education, accessibility, and opportunity. For our overview, thank you, and if there are any inquiries or you are looking for updates, you can check us out at Horizon KFD 2025 on Instagram. Thank you. So like stated po kanina, the KFD has partner beneficiaries. An example po of this will be the people of Boso-Boso Antipolo and the people of Sapang Palay, Bulacan. In CSI people, we are taught that we should always help out the people that need help. And another example po would be the calamity victims. Last year po, there were a lot of thunderstorms, and climate changes. So the donations and the money that was made by the KFD were given to all of those people. And of course, our Jesuit missionaries. Thank you.
Thank you, RJ. So, okay, so we are going to organize a concert. Is that correct? So this is a purely fundraising activity from scratch, which our boys organized. They're encouraged by the school to write letters, get sponsors. So book artists were also very generous enough to have a reduced rate because this is a fundraising. So thank you so much, our artists, for being so kind. Okay, so can you discuss who our artists will be for this event?
So, beside me, of course, we'll have Calista as one of the performing acts. Then next, we'll have, who can't be with us today is Adi. And then lastly, for our band, will be Son Lola. And then we will have two student bands performing before our main artists. They are they are student bands formed in Ateneo. And lastly, for the last portion of the event, we'll have a DJ that will produce music for the students to have fun after the concert.
So, okay, so what's...
So our initial price for the regular tickets will be 700 pesos. And then for the VIP tickets will be 1,000 pesos. The perks of the VIP tickets will be posted on the Instagram account next week.
Okay, so this to purchase the tickets for this fundraising activity, this is not just for Ateneans. This is open to everyone. So, of course, RJ, what is the age bracket? Sabi naman nila may age bracket daw yung attendees. But of course, any age is allowed to attend. But ano yung preferred age ninyo ng attendees?
Our target market po will be students or people at the age of 13 to 21. This is, of course, since it's a rave po, we wouldn't want people to get hurt. And since we want the younger generations then po to watch and see the Filipino artists perform, since a lot of our younger generations are more focused on the American side of things. Thank you.
Okay.
Our class po is 10 Rodriguez. From this project, as one of the leaders in this project, I've learned a lot of things. Sorry. I've learned how to lead a team, and I've learned a lot of things about my classmates through their help with me, and I've learned how to communicate with artists, their managers, and how to get sponsors. Thank you.
Just for clarification, what is 10 Rodriguez? Is that a subject? Section.
10 Rodriguez is a section from one of the blessed people in the background. Thank you. For the performers po kasi, we saw Calista in a YouTube video from TikTok promotion videos. We saw their performance and it really opened our eyes that there are a lot of artists out there that can get more attention because their talents are very good, and we think that with the spotlight we can give them more fans and a bigger community for them. And then for the other artists po, Adi was a very big artist, so we wanted to get an artist to raise the standards then with our other artists. So Son Lola will be our band, since we want to give the students a nice experience to see our Filipino bands po, since like I said, they're more into the western side of music. Thank you.
Yes po, naniniwala po kami na 2025 po talaga is the year of OPM, and especially with the help of P-pop, mas napapalawak po niya, mas napapatibay po niya, and mas napapalakas po niya even outside our country, yung OPM. Kaya we're very, very thankful to the junior high school students for inviting us and for giving us this opportunity na makasama sa fundraising event na ito, dahil syempre our main goal din and our mission din, kaya kami naging artist, is also to inspire other people. And with the help of this concert, I believe na lahat tayo makakayanin.
concert sila sa
This is the very first po. But there are a lot of classes before us that had their own fundraising concerts na din po. But this is the first one being named Horizon. Kasi only grade 10 will be allowed to hold events. So since it was our last year in the junior high school, we wanted to go off with a bang and give my classmates a good experience with this concert. Thank you. Ito po talaga yan. It was unanimous for the whole class.
And last one, curious lang ako, paano ba mag-party, pumunta sa concert ay isang mga, ano ba kayo,
Gen Z. Alpha.
Ano
ba talaga?
Gen Alpha.
Gen Alpha daw. Ayan. Paano ba mag-party yung mga Gen Alpha?
Abot pa po kami sa Gen Z, so we're still coming out there. But I'd like to call on JB David to answer this question because my friend, he's a very outgoing person and he likes going out to parties.
Paano ba mag-party ang isang
First of all, thank you for asking the question. Based on my experiences, Gen Z parties are very much crazy. We wouldn't like to bring that to Ateneo, so we would like to limit the party experience to a healthy experience, alcohol, no other bad things. So that's basically it.
Pwede mo i-expound yung crazy na yun. Parang gusto mo yung example.
So basically, the crazy means, I'll be honest, Gen Z is quite very crazy because they engage in activities students shouldn't engage in. So we wouldn't want that in our concert, so we would like to limit all the experiences to our concert as healthy as possible.
Thank you.
Or do you have a different event for that?
Would you like this to be a tradition?
Annual event.
Since
No, because they're not gonna be in the school anymore.
Yeah.
Since KFD po will be, since it's our last year as classmates po for being a block section, for me po, I think this is a once in a lifetime experience kasi mahirap din po kasi magpatuloy ng concert and mahirap din po yung mga pinagdaanan namin. So maybe this will be first and last for me. But for my team po, their experiences will always be open for them. So I'm sure they'll want to have another experience like this in the future. So thank you.
So, first of all, congratulations. Now, the concept alone is kind of crazy if I were your age. That's probably like a couple of years. I don't know, but how was like the production of this? How did it all happen? Who planned it, and how did you like come about like the plan to have a concert?
It was a unanimous vote po from the class, and of course, the event wouldn't be possible without my team, Mason, and my other team members po. All of us decided that this will be hard, and we will put a lot of effort into it. So we all did our best in for the past 4 months since last year, and thankfully we were accepted by the school to host a concert, and yeah, it was a good experience for all of us to plan on what event we would be doing.
Going on that point, RJ, right?
Yes.
What were your professors' reaction into you like just coming up like we want to have a concert?
Our professors' reactions pa. A lot of them were happy that a lot of us are planning to host a big event, knowing that it will bring a lot of pressure onto us and our classmates. But they're supportive naman po, and they helped us in everything we did. I'd like to thank my teachers for all the support they've given us. Kahit na sometimes makulit kaming maging leader, and sometimes hindi kami naging cooperative. They still helped us with everything we did. So, thank you po.
Alright, and siguro kay ma'am, Ms. Lomina? Miss Kirsty, can you tell us, how about naman po yung mga parents? Were you like, na ano ba kayo? Nag-goal ba kayo na ganito yung planan ng mga kids niyo?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, actually, nung sinabi po nila sa amin na magko-concert, talaga pong medyo, kami mismo nagulat. And first na tinanong, so tayo ko ng fans, malaki yan. So, yun nga po, nagkano rin kami, read-out up po lang nila sa amin with their teachers. So, nagkaroon kami po lang ng discussion, maraming, po ito set ng meetings, and then finally na-approve sila. Then after na na-approve po sila, read-out up po naman po doon sa whole class. Kasi hindi po namin magagawa po na with the leaders and the parents.
Of course.
So, in-involve po namin ang buong parents ng buong section ng Terror Kids, and then from there nakakuha po kami ng nag-support. From zero po talaga yung aming finances, and ano po talaga itong this is not a regular activity.
Yes.
So from zero, and then every day nakikita namin, then naniniwala po kasi kami na yung kakayahan ng mga boys na to handle and to lead ng ganito po kalaking event. And before po kasi, parang nag-join yung dalawang section. But this time, po kami na one section sila. Kaya talaga pong medyo, maraming nagugulat. But then, dahil nga po sa leadership ng mga boys, wala confidence. So, kaya nga po, nung nakita namin yun, mas lalo din po namin silang sinuportahan. With the help po ng mga parents store at the whole class, yun po, kaya sabi nga namin, this concert will be 100% sold out and with your help po, with your help.
Alright. Do you probably know like how many people are expected to be there in the concert?
Ilang capacity?
The capacity po of our venue, which will be the covered courts, it's gonna be 2,500 now po.
2,500.
So we're hoping to sell at least 2,000 tickets.
Alright, thank you. Siguro kay Sir Jeva, yung next question ka. Since you're gonna be directing the show, what's gonna happen with the program? I'm sure it's gonna be like a huge, undertaking to do that because there are several performances here, and of course the crowd safety. I'm probably sure that you have plans for that as well. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah. So Horizon features live performances of these artists, Alista, Sanchez Lola, and Adi. Okay. The more important thing about this show is that we want to send a message of hope and solidarity, since it advocates for social change, community empowerment. So we will also feature audio-visual presentations
in between
performances, highlighting the Katipunan Fan Drive. Just as the Katipuneros in the 19th centuries, diba, banded together. Gusto nating iparallel yun. We will be the modern Katipuneros of the present time to help others.
Alright. Thank you. Yes,
so, sir, to further answer your question about how it's going to be, about the security, you don't have to worry about it because number one of our co-parents also volunteered to give security also. Ateneo has their own security, but we are going to ensure that everyone is going to be safe, especially since we have teens, young teens, like 13-year-olds. So we have several parents who also have, their security agencies. We're willing to donate the time of their security people. And also, we are very, very strict with respect to illegal articles that may be brought inside the venue. Like we were really discussing, like, are they allowed to use vape or stuff like this? So there are some things that we cannot avoid, but for our boys, it's a rule. If they get caught using vape, they're gonna be FI, right? That was, established. As for other people who are caught using vape, then it's going to be confiscated at the very start, at the security area. So also our tickets, we ensure that they cannot be easily tampered. So we design them in such a way that they cannot be just easily printed.
All right.
So to ensure that you have an amazing experience when you watch the concert and be safe as well while being there.
I'm sure you have ample amount of parking as well, because there's...
Yes. Ateneo has a very huge parking ground, so it won't really be a problem.
All right, thank you. All right, my last question would be for the ladies. Kakakita lang natin, siguro mga 2 weeks ago, when you launched your album 4. Of course, that EP is still on streaming platforms. Can you tell us more about your album and how's it going so far? Yung nakakakuha na ba kayo ng feedback from people about your music? Tell us a little bit more about it.
Actually, naging maganda po yung launching namin kasi dumami po talaga yung streams namin lalo sa Spotify and other streaming platforms. And nakakatuwa po kasi marami nagsasabi na, natagpuan nyo na yung tamang sound nyo. Talagang kalista yan. And ayun nga, sinabi namin dun sa launch na hinanda talaga namin ng iba't ibang genre. So talagang para magustuhan ng tao, maraming choices, ganyan. And ayun po, so very thankful po kami sa mga naging response ng mga tao sa album namin.
Alright, aside from that, you're performing on this particular show. How does it feel that, it's not just performing that you're gonna do, but it's also gonna benefit a lot of people after the show?
Sobrang grateful po kami for the Ateneo and the
Jesuits
junior high school for having us po and for having us here po for the fundraising kasi makakatulong din po, hindi lang po kami makapa-inspire ng mga kabataan, makakatulong din po kami sa ibang tao. And we're really, really happy na makakapag-perform po kami with our new release po na EP, which is for
Alright, super gusto ko pala yung parang R&B na single.
Thank
Super
you
good.
po.
Thank you.
So I was advised by our director.
So how will you handle that? Of course, as a concert for the junior high school, we're gonna prioritize our students, my fellow students. So we're gonna start the in-person selling muna sa campus itself. So malamang, only Ateneans will get to buy it since it will be sold on the junior high school campus. Then we'll start the online selling for outsiders. Also, the week during the launching of the in-person selling.
Hi, good afternoon. My question for RJ. Ayan. How would you describe, or kung sino yung part ng organizer, no? How would you describe yung overall vibes ng concert? May mga install pa kayo ng mga booths, or ano yung activity the whole day? Parang ganyan.
So the concert will have food concessionaires at the back of the venue. So everyone will be given a chance to eat, of course. Tapos the vibe of the concert will be, like I said, Horizon. So it's gonna be a very uplifting and wholesome concert naman po. So the vibe will be, there's gonna be a little bit of a party vibe, but of course the crowd control will be fixed and it will be watched over by our security. So the concert will be a very fun experience naman po, and the vibe will just, like I said, uplifting and happy.
Ayan, since super young pa lang kayo, how challenging is it for you to mount this big concert?
I'll let Mason answer this question.
Okay, sure.
Hi, so I'm Mason. I haven't been able to speak yet, sorry. But I'd like to say it was very, very challenging because honestly, just to be able to do this concert, we had to beat out other classes who also made their own proposals and their own budgets and had their own sponsors. They were all trying to get this concert slot, but luckily we made it. And it was really hard. We had our own defending of, we had a defense for our proposal where we had to give a presentation, similar to this actually. So,
magpe-perform din ba kayo? Yung mga yung mga organizer? Okay. Wala. Oo. Laban yung sa dulo, wala gano'n. Ayan, for Kalista naman, since you're one of the big guests nga nitong concert na to, ano yung mga preparations na ginagawa nyo in terms of the songs? Paano yung mga magiging performance nyo on that night? Since different naman tong crowd this time.
In terms of preparation po, katulad po nga ng sinabi po nila kanina, we're gonna be performing the songs po on our latest EP, which is 4. So we're very, very excited to showcase our new songs to the students of Ateneo kasi we know that it's the perfect market for the songs because there are a lot of teens and maybe the same age as well sa amin po. So talagang pinaghahandaan po namin yung performance po namin, which will be para mas matutuwa po yung mga students po sa performance niya.
Yes po, and also nagpe-prepare din po kami ng cover songs para mas ma-relate din yung students. Hindi lang sa original songs namin. So, ayun, para maka-vibe din sila. Hindi lang sa original songs namin, but the cover songs na kilala.
Meron ba kayo ngayong pa-sample na magiging performance nyo? Yes! Para sa malalapit na concert. Para mas lalo pa maraming bumili.
Before po may mag-sample, we would want to introduce ourselves po sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala. Call it a star! Hi everyone, I'm Anne. Hello everyone, I'm Denise. Hi, I'm Elle. Hello, I'm Dane, and we are Kalista. Sample na po. Alas 12, kailangan nang lumisan. Sa pagdating ng oras, biglang mawawala. Ngunit sa puso ko'y ikaw ang tadhana. Kahit sandali lang na lumigaya, sulitin natin ang bawat oras. Alas 12, alas 12, da-da-da, da-da-da.
Thank you! Ayan, sample naman ng mga organizer. Ayan, thank you! Congratulations!
Thank you!
Alright, so nakita niyo naman po kung gaano kagaling yung mga artists na inimbitan namin. So, for the formal invitation for the tickets, ticket selling will start March po. And then, you can look for inquiries and updates in our Instagram page. We'll be posting where and when to buy the tickets by next week naman po. And then, hopefully, we get to see you guys on the date of our concert. Thank you po.
Okay, so for direct ticket orders, we have, the boys have a discount for bulk orders and direct ticket orders, which will be found, the details, mobile numbers, and then advanced ticket selling can be done. If you check their website, their IG page, there will be mobile numbers, and you can call those numbers so you could order in advance.
What's the IG?
Okay, RJ, please.
The IG will be Horizon AFD 2025, all lowercase, no space.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, Bob.
Congratulations.
Hope to see all of you. Thank you.